Constipation is a common condition in which a person has infrequent bowel movements or passes hard, dry stools that are difficult or painful to pass. It is often caused by not eating enough fiber, drinking too little water, lack of physical activity, ignoring the urge to have a bowel movement, certain medications, or changes in daily routine such as travel. People with constipation may experience bloating, abdominal discomfort, straining during bowel movements, or a feeling that the bowels have not emptied completely. Most cases improve by drinking plenty of water, eating fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, exercising regularly, and establishing a regular toilet routine. If needed, over-the-counter fiber supplements or mild laxatives may be used for a short time, following the instructions on the label.